Hi, welcome back to UA Technical Solutions. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to retrieve the last known fault code on a Daikin VRV Series 4 outdoor unit. Press the BS1 mode button once so that the first LED number shows 1 and the second and third LED number have a flashing 0. Press the BS2 set button 17 times so that second and third digits show a flashing 17. Press the BS3 return button once and the display will flash the first part of your fault code. Press the BS2 set button once and the display will flash the subcode of your fault code. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe us at UA Technical Solutions. Let us know in the comment section the topics of your choice to make this channel more relevant to you.